nila. Yan. Please to visit her channel, Women's TV Watkins channel. Then we'll share the not latest, the reviews or the old video. One old video. So, tapos na yan. Sinigang na baka siguro. Or ito. Yan. So leave the video playing. Then let's go back. Let's go to the community. My community page. Okay. Copy and paste. There you go. Shout out Ma'am Remis, What TV Vaccines, and Jocelyn Barlam, Ma'am Fatima, then Imelda Artaho. Artaho is from Cagayan de Oro, ma'am. Marami kaming goodbye doon, Artaho. Ang teacher ko yung isa. Okay. Next is Jocelyn Barlam to. So, iwan natin naka-play yan, nakabukas, tapos pagko-comment tayo mamaya. Anyway, let's go to Ma'am Living After 50. I think he's an American. Okay, i-check natin ang about niya. Sana sa passions. 5 job, creating. I think she's from USA. Walmart. Dito tayo, i-kuhanan to. Let's share this video for Ma'am Living After 50. Okay. There you go. Yan na ba? Okay. Go next.